Hey everybody, this is Crafty Peep. I'm Tammy, and we are on the Joy of Journaling. This is our third month, and our host is Ellie with DIY from House to Home. I love journaling, and it is one of my favorite things to do. I have a little bitty black and white striped bag that I showed y'all that I keep all of my stuff in, and I haven't started journaling in this until I'm complete, so I've just been building on it with y'all. So today we are going to do a napkin decoupage and work with washi tape. So I use painter's tape on the corner to make sure I get off the plies, and you want to be sure to keep the plies because they are wonderful to stamp on and then decoupage on your project instead of stamping right on your project and maybe smearing it or ruin it, or it's not where you want it to be. So I used Elmer's the purple school glue. It gives it a nice hold, and then to get out any wrinkles I use the heat gun, and there's a cute little page, so it's a little bit different than scrapbooking paper. I love it, and you can go over it with Mod Podge to kind of seal it, and it'll be good for years and years. Now I'm just going to put a little journaling card in, and I go through my washi tape that you can get on Amazon, Michael's, any craft store, and it just adds a little something to your page. Or I've seen college students use it on the wall, and you make a frame out of washi tape and then put pictures on it. It's really cute. I cut out that life little cardstock, and I just remembered I forgot to use it. And there's a couple things I show you so that I forgot to use, so that will have to be for next month. Here's some springtime washi tape, and it is very repositional. You'll love that. And I had a little crease in it, so I just pulled it back up, straightened it up, and then run your finger over it, and it is good to go. So I've had this little hope card with little bee, and then Pooh and Piglet. Who can't love Pooh and Piglet? Oh, love it. So I'm going to use that with the honeybee with a little pot of honey, because you can't have Winnie the Pooh and not have honey in the picture. And then I got these journaling cards at a craft store that was having a garage sale. So I got a Bargoon. This is my Tim Holtz guillotine cutter. I absolutely love it. I show you how to use, just to cut down a little envelope from the Dollar Tree, just to make a little holder for your journaling cards. So I just cut it down to size so it wouldn't be covering up my bee. Use another thing of washi tape, and I had it was my first time to use that washi tape. You'll see I have a little Santa hat on. I am doing a event here in about 15 minutes, so that is why I had to kind of rush through this videoing to get to that. I liked both of those cards, cut them both down so I can journal on both of those cards on Hope. Those are my Tim Holtz cards, and then KC Company cards that I also got at a garage sale at a craft store. Love it. I always pick up scrapbooking paper for journaling that just speaks to me. I love pink, and you'll see we have a little Thanksgiving page in there, and now we have a Christmas page in there, but I'm also going to mix these springtime colors in there just because I love them. And journaling is for your personal what puts a smile on your face. So Here I'm using cardstock just for a little more stability in the back. And then the next time you'll see that I just use cardstock and then I just eye it. I am not much of a measurer, so I'm just a good enough scrapper, crafter, and journaler. I hope that works for y'all, but you do you, and if you need to measure, then measure away. All right, let's see what we do. Use some more Elmer's glue, and it dries clear. That's why I love seeing the purple, is you can see exactly where you have it and where you have forgot to put it. The X star kind of keeps it all in place of everything that I've ever used. So the You Are Chosen was out of one of those love books from the Dollar Tree. I just love it. It has some scripture and advice and little statements that again put a smile on your face. So I'll be journaling later. I put a little pink flower on there and go through my buttons. This is one of 4 containers of buttons. So I have to dig a little to find a little one for the inside of that flower. My sister used to have her powder room used to be that pink and white striped wallpaper. I just love it. So I believe out of the Smash book I get the best advice I've ever gotten. And so I will be journaling on that when the book is done, and then I embellish it with 4 little pearls, and I'll probably add some ribbon to it, maybe a little tea stain lace. So there's the pages I've done the first 2 months, and now I did 3 pages for y'all today, and I hope you like it. Come and like and follow me, CRAFTY PEEP, over on Facebook, and subscribe on YouTube. Until next time, stay crafty, sweet people.